Welcome people to the third night of this shitty game. This bullshit game.
Let's continue.
Let's continue the third night.
It's getting more difficult, man.
Ooh!
Yo,
It's a new place. No, it's the same one. Shit.
Same shitty call, man. Hello.
I want to know who this person is.
Hello.
This is Barack Obama.
Yeah, I told you you wouldn't have any problems. Did Foxy ever repair the hallway? Probably not. I was just curious. Like I said, he was.
Go wind up the box.
They tried to remake Foxy, you know.
Try to remake
the
what?
first one was too scary, so they redesigned it to be more kid-friendly and put it in.
What is
Keep
saying?
on flashing. Keep on flashing.
To keep the toddlers entertained.
Oh shit, Fox.
Kids these days just can't keep their hands to themselves. The staff literally
Fast,
had
fast,
to
fast.
get back together at the end of every shift.
That's
Eventually, they just
That's
stopped
enough.
trying.
No. Wind up the box.
Take
Go back.
back together a trash.
Music stop.
Now it's just a mess of parts. I think the employees.
Check the head up because they can come from side also.
Oh, hey, before
It's
I
night
go,
3,
I
so
wanted to get your mind about
they're
any
going-
rumors you might have heard lately.
Wind up the box, man, by the time.
Come and go and seldom mean anything. I can personally
Go back.
assure you that whatever is going on out there, however tragic it may be, has nothing to do with our establishment.
Check the head up. Music. Oh shit. Where the box? I think.
Yeah.
No. Oh shit. Wear the mask. Go fast and directly. Oh shit. Oh shit. Wait. I'll flash you.
Anyway, hang in there and I'll talk with you tomorrow.
Fuck you. See you tomorrow, man. Good night. Arey, wait there,
Keep on
man.
flashing. Don't worry. Keep on flashing. You have to be fast with the flash, huh?
Arey, why are you here? Oh shit, now he's gonna jump scare us. No, he went. Oh shit. What's
Keep
the
on
heck?
flashing. Keep on.
What's
Anything
fucking
that
that?
comes in the front, you have to flash him out. At least 10 to 15 flash. See, the battery is fucking 75% now. Flash them 10 times something and then stop.
So we got to count that?
10 or 12 times around. See, I can hear
Wait.
someone in the
Oh no. I think they're coming from Adder.
flash it.
No, you
Flash
just
it,
wind
flash
up
it.
box. Oh
See?
shit.
That's
Oh
what I
shit.
mean. That's what I
Wind up
mean.
the box and go fast and wear the mask directly.
Not
This
now.
time. Yeah, and yeah. Oh shit, that's Fox. Wait.
10 to
Oh,
15.
man. Wait, our battery is just fucking running
First,
out.
That's it. Fucking piece of fucking shit.
Okay, so nobody's there. It's fucking
no,
2.
Man.
Wind up the box, man, by the time. Oh shit, wait. Oh! What's that, man? Somebody drilled him.
Oh shit.
Wear the mask
I want
now.
to cry so bad now.
Oh shit, go back and directly wear. Whoa! Fuck. I told you, wear the mask. Oh shit.
I was slow on
I told you, man, be
I was
quick,
slow.
man.
Sorry, I was slow on that.
Fucked up. Check the air ducts because flashlight is not working.
Oh,
Oh! Wait.
This was a guy that
Yeah,
got us last
killed
time.
us, man. What are you doing? Wind up the box. Go back and wear the mask. Whoa! Oh shit.
See,
fucked up.
it's not giving the option for me.
Fucked up. Hello. Yeah. Give us a jump scare.
It's not giving me the option. You try. You wanna try?
No, but when that fox appears, we got to flash him, right?
Everyone
that blue one-
that comes in the straight part, you have to flash them out.
We can do it. It's just 3. We are halfway through. We can do it.
Don't waste too much. Wear the mask now.
Nobody's there. Okay, so I can wind it. What the fuck? Oh man, where are these? Oh shit, man. Come on. Fuck, man.
Was
Oh fuck. What fucked up? Let's skip this full. Wait. Oh shit, wait. Where the mask? Where the mask? Let's wait. Yeah.
5 seconds.
Fucking
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You're counting milliseconds. What? Why did you do that?
We have to take some chances.
Go back and wear the mask. Oh shit. Oh shit, wear the mask.
Blink it. The fox is also there. Remember, the mask doesn't work on the fox.
See, that flashlight works, I think so. Yeah, it worked.
But How many times? That's it.
Go back, go back, go back. Oh shit, you. What the fuck?
no,
I told
I
you
was
go back,
fast.
man. Shit, yeah.
Don't worry, Baba.
Oh
He's
shit.
gone away.
No, man. He's not gone away.
He's gone away.
Is it? Oh my
You
god.
have to be really fast.
Oh my god. That worked.
You have to be fast on that. Okay.
Now it's getting more tricky. Please, come on, we can do it. It's for oh shit. Head up. Oh my god, I'm just so freaked out, man. We can do it. I think so. We can do it. Oh wait, flash. Oh shit, Fox is there. Wait.
This fox is a piece of
No,
fucking
but
shit.
Fox is a bit easier, and that fucking blue one because blue one just got us fucked up thrice in a row. Go back. I
Honestly,
told
look at the fucking mask. It doesn't come up.
fuck, man. Oh, it worked.
No.
Oh my god. Oh, it worked. You need to be more fast, please.
But what can I do for that?
Okay,
The
man.
game
Oh
doesn't
my
wants
God.
to do it.
Go. Wind up the box. He's far from us. And as soon as you go, please wear the mask fucking quick. Yeah, that's better.
Sometimes it doesn't show up. What can I do?
don't know, man. Okay. Check the head up.
It's nothing.
Oh, wait.
Oh, you-
Man. Oh, it's 5, man. We can do it.
Wait. Don't get excited. You're not
Come
there.
on. Yeah. We need
Catch
to
it,
be
catch it.
patient.
Wait.
We need to be patient. We can do this. Fuck off. Go back, man. Don't do it full. Head up.
No one's there. Don't waste a flashlight there.
Okay.
No one is there.
I
No
think we
one
can
is
do
here.
it.
No one is
Wind the
here.
box.
No one is
Go back fast. Whoa! Okay, its flashlight is also working. You see that?
Wait. We'll get
Flashlight. I kept on. Fuck, man. Shit, yeah.
Now I'm getting pissed at this game, huh? The more I played, the more I'm getting pissed at this game.
As soon as that flashlight stops working, it's an indication that someone's arriving. So better be ready. Go back. Wait. No, don't remove. Off. Okay, wear the mask. That blue one is there, no?
But
Fuck. Wear the fucking mask. Just wait here. Oh shit. Wind up the box. Oh, Fox is there. Go back and wind up the box. Please go back fast. That's enough. Oh fuck. Wait. Don't do anything. Oh, we got fucked up. Yeah, wait.
Fucking
Oh
Fox.
fuck, man.
The
Fuck.
flashlight should run out.
I think that's pretty enough. Yeah.
Wait.
Wind the box. We can work, man. Come on, we can do it, man.
Yeah! Oh shit, don't, please. I think I was fast enough.
Oh
enough.
shit. Did it work?
Yes. Someone is in the tent. Wait,
Hey, what the
don't flash
fuck?
it. Don't flash it now.
Wind up the box. And please do wear a mask. Please. Whoa! Shit. Oh, fuck, please.
Don't worry. I'm here.
Don't give me a jump scare.
Where the fuck is 6 AM?
Oh my god.
Wait, don't do it.
Oh,
Don't do it.
Wind up the box. I think we can do it. We can complete it. Seems to be. Oh fuck. Wear the mask.
Wait,
That's
wait.
our last
Keep
option.
on flashing it.
No, I think went
Keep on
away.
flashing it.
But I can't. Flashlight is not working. Fuck yes. Oh my god, we did it. Oh shit. That was really hard, man. It was really hard. Okay, again we have night for intro. Yeah, fucking Freddy will be staring at us. Hello there. Good night. Last time also. And Tweety Bird. Yeah.
Hey.
Hello, Chica.
Hey.
Where's your cupcake, man? Whoa, golden! Is that golden Freddy?
Two Freddy's.
Hi. It's me. I know it. I think that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. Bye.